This is Poppy Corn Surprise and Griff's. Alright guys, do you love Goo Jitsu? We love Goo Jitsu. Let's get at that galaxy attack, kids. Boys and girls, behold the majesty of our Goo Jitsu collection. But what we don't have yet are a bunch of the new galaxy attacks. Until now.
They got those shoes.
Alright, we got our Goo Jitsus here, right, Griffy?
Yeah.
Okay, we have been collecting Goo Jitsus for, oh my gosh, Griffy, how long?
30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes at least, Griffy says. So, we know what you guys want. You see that we got a nice collection. We have got some of the new galaxy attacks for you. And one surprise one here in this box, too. So, we're going to unbox these dudes, but specifically today, we're going to find out what these new Pump Power Goo Jitsus do. We got both of them. Pump Power Thrash. Aw, yeah, already opened. Sorry, Griffy got too excited. And Pump Power Orbiter.
He can't pump.
He can't pump? Alright, I want to know what these guys do. I don't fully understand it yet. So we're going to give those guys a full testing for you to see what you can do. What did you say?
Let's open it.
Let's open this, right? Alright, let's do it.
Let's open these guys
First, which guys do you want to do first?
first. This guy.
Okay. Alright, guess what, everybody? I gotta be honest. We cheated. We found this guy at Target like 2 weeks ago. It's been a while now. But this is, I think you say Saturnal. Griffy, what is he?
He'll bite it.
Yeah, kind of like an alien spider. This is Galaxy Attack, by the way, you guys. So this is the new line. They were supposed to come out this fall, but they're dropping early. This is Saturnal, kind of a space spider. Griffy, what's inside of Saturnal?
Blue-colored slime.
Blue-colored slime. He's the first one ever to not have anything in him. Look, guys, nothing in him, but he's got two different colored slimes, a clear and a blue. Sorry for the cat hair already on Saturnal. Griffy.
He's weird and kind of shoe on the shore.
Yeah. Do you like this one?
Yeah.
You like the bad guys better, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we have.
So there's Griffy loves the bad guys. If you guys are into Goo Jitsus, you probably already know in Galaxy Attack, the bad guys are way harder to find. They're way rarer, but he is desperate to open up Airvac Orbitox. So let's just do it.
We're open here.
Let's open. If you guys want to preserve your boxes, it's super easy to do with Goo Jitsu. You just kind of open up real light at the bottom and then come around with your finger and do it real slow. Don't get impatient, even if you're excited. That kind of opening there. And you will preserve most of this so you could put it back together if you wanted to. But we don't really care. We're going to throw this away, so let's rip it open. You ready, Griff?
Yeah.
You want to rip it open? Go for it. Nice. Okay. And Griff.
What they tail?
Holy cow. He's got a tail for starters, right?
Yeah.
Good eye, Griff. So
And a second cup.
he's got a tail. And what else does he have?
Second cup.
Suction cups? Oh, on his legs. Yeah. Good job, Griff. He's got like octopus suction cups there. Okay, guys, he's light. Right, Griff? He's real light. He's not a heavy one. Full, even purple body. This kind of cool brain texture on his head.
And they stuck it in.
Stretch him, Griff. Stretch him. Let's see what an initial stretch is like. Oh, okay. Wow, that's a good stretch on this dude. Nice. So now this guy is Pump Power. So Griff, should we pump his head? All right, guys, the crazy thing is you have to pump this for it to work. It says on the back 30 times. All right, you want to get in here, get in the picture with me, Griffy, while I start pumping?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I feel I'm getting harder, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So, Griff, let's see him. What's he look like now?
He was like an octopus.
Like kind of octopus, but like he's all tight. Look at that. Let's see if we can mold his arms a little better. It's supposed to be that you can mold them into shape a little more.
I need to do it better.
Okay, you're going to try to do it a little better?
They're probably like this.
Yeah. Oh, you're getting detailed. Okay, one thing I know you can do really well is to make them like super flat, and they will hold that position really, really well.
The body hard.
His body got real hard, right? Yeah, what do you think's inside of him, Griff?
Boss!
Huh?
Boss
Is it the same thing that's inside the Pumpet Thrash? Okay, we'll look in just a second. It does feel so. If you want to know what's in there, Thrash is actually see-through, and you can kind of see what we got. It's not styrofoam, all right? It is not styrofoam. It's like a little hard plastic thing there.
And the button.
Alright guys, we are gonna pump Thrash up. This is our Thrash. We're gonna get him all tight as well with just about 30 pumps here until he just feels all tight. Oh man, I overdid it, folks. I overdid it. And then you've got this kind of
really super hard Thrash that you can stretch out. And by and large, you can make him a little bigger, see, and take up more space than he could before. You can see those plastic balls really good now that he's so tight. And then when you want him back, here you go. On him, he's got a thing on the back of his head. Push it and push that head down, all right? And then once again, you got your plump Thrash right here, looking like a regular Goo Jitsu. All right, who is that, Griff?
Blazagon.
Blazagon, the hero of Goo Jitsu, and this is his new Galaxy Attack form. Do you think it's his final form, Griffey?
Yeah.
No way. There are going to be so many more Blazagons. These toys are so popular. I don't know if it's his final form, but let's open this guy up and see what's inside of him, okay? Blazagon. Okay, for starters, if you're used to the really heavy Blazagons, there's our Dino one. Here is all the way back to our original Blazagon, and they're all like super heavy. Here's actually our official Dino X-Ray Blazagon. So all super heavy. This Blazagon's not heavy, is he, Griff?
Yeah.
No, he's kind of light.
What is inside of him?
Huh? Let's squeeze him and see what's inside of him. So first off, let's look. Let's look at his clothes real quick. Oh, thank you. Whoa, look at that. That's cool, isn't it, Griff? Did you guys see that? Oh, wow. It's like like the space, the cosmos is inside.
What's the water?
Yeah, it's kind of like water. Yeah, Griffey. I really like that. Yeah. So also really nice on this one, you've got the helmet that comes down. Very cool.
And it come up.
And goes back up. Thank you, Griffey. You've got his good guy symbol, the paw there. I like that. If you turn him around, you've got kind of like a jetpack looking thing there. And then you guys saw what he just did when you squeeze him. He doesn't have anything inside except that really cool like paint effect, the swirl, right?
Yeah,
Griffey, what do you think about him? Do you like him?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. Who the heck is in this box? Who do you think's in there, Griffey?
Maybe 3 eyes.
He really wants the green alien with 3 eyes. You guys, look us up on our Facebook page.
His name is 3 eyes.
3 eyes. 3 eyes. His name, the one Griffin wants, is actually Merculock and Star Shadow. He wants both those dudes. We also, of course, want the Crustacoid too.
3 eyes.
3 eyes. His name is Merculock, Griff.
Yeah.
We haven't found a lot of the bad guys yet. I'm going to tell you, we're doing this. We're not famous YouTubers. We don't get this stuff free, so we have to actually go to the store and buy it. And it's not been easy with these guys yet. But let's see who's in this last box. For those of you who are on the hunt, this guy can be found at Walmart online right now for $14.99. That's Thrash. This guy can be found in most stores. I'm seeing him at Target a lot. Also, you can find him on Amazon right now, I think, for a normal price. I found Orbitox 1 at Target. I threw a fit. I was so excited. And then we found Saturnal also at a different Target. So we have been on the hunt. Now,
I think that's 3 eyes.
okay.
I think that's 3 eyes.
Oh, it's not 3 eyes, Griffey. Sorry, Daddy hasn't been able to find 3 eyes yet. But you all who are on the hunt, this is the new not Pump It Up Thrash. And he is,
I like 3 eyes.
You like 3 eyes. We're going to find him. Thrash is on Amazon right now for normal price if you want to hop over there and get him. Let's check. I'm going to let my Griff man do the squeezing. He's an expert squeezer. Let's see what's inside of him, okay? I have reason to believe what's inside of this guy is pretty cool. I think it's some like giant Orbeez. There we go, Griff. Oh yeah, so you got some really, really huge Orbeez there. Cool. Bigger than the usual Orby ones. And let's look at his face and stuff. So he's got his good guy symbol too. He's got the helmet just like Blazagon. And he's got the jetpack stuff on the back too. So pretty standard. You guys decide.
I like 3 eyes.
As you can see, we've got the original Thrash here. Actually, this is Dino Thrash. That is the dinosaur Thrash, also with large Orbeez in him. I know we've got another Thrash. Oh yeah, we picked up this one who was in a 2-pack. So a Dino X-Ray Thrash, which I actually really like this one because he's gray like a shark. What's going on? Are we still looking for some other ones?
Yeah, 3 eyes.
Yeah, we want the guy with 3 eyes.
I ain't never 3 eyes.
You're going to name him 3 eyes. You don't care what they call him. That dude's 3 eyes to you, right? So keep tuning in. Click like and subscribe, you guys, because we have a lot of Goo Jitsu action on the way. We are going to try to find all of these and let you have a look at them. We do have, by the way, Braxor.
And we go find 3
One of our crowning achievements there. And we also have the ultra rare. I don't even remember this dude's name, but he is the ultra rare for the Dino X-Ray.
3 eyes.
Say it again, Griff.
And we got 3 eyes.
We're going to find 3 eyes if it's the last thing we do. All right? Okay, guys. Keep Goo Jitsuing.
Yo, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring my bell. Come on now, ring my bell. Yeah, boy.